Hello, question 19. Let's get to it. So Amit says my normal typing speed is 40 words per minute. Therefore, I estimate that my normal typing speed is about 210 characters per minute. Each letter, space, and piece of punctuation counts as a character. How many letters per word is Amit most likely to have used in making this estimate? Show how you decide. So, first thing I'm going to do is from my 210, when OneNote wants to work, I'm sure it will shortly, we're going to subtract 40. Here we are starting to play ball now. So 210, take away 40, because for 40 words, there'll be 40 spaces. So that gives us 170. Then 170 divided by 40 words. 170 divided by 40 gives us 4.25. So roughly that's going to be 4-letter words on average. That's a 4. Okay, next question, part B. Amit starts some homework at their normal typing speed. Amit types 52 words in 1 minute and 12 seconds. What may be true about the length of words that Amit has just typed? Okay, so first of all, 1 minute and 12 seconds is 72 seconds. Then he's got, for me, let me look at the above, 40 words per minute, 40 words for every minute, and then we times that by 72. So 40 divided by 60 times it by 72, and that gives us 48. Okay, from that 48, we can probably deduce that that's the amount of words we would expect him to write, and that's a smaller number than 52 words. So as he's done 52, 52 is more than expected. Therefore, he has likely used shorter words. Okay, and that is question 19 done. Question 20. So we need to find the area of this rectangle. I can very quickly see that we've got Pythagoras theorem coming in. So 13 squared subtract 5 squared will equal, if I label that as x, it will equal x squared. 169, take away 25, gives us 144, which equals x squared. So 12 is equal to x. We then, from there, multiply 12 by 5, and we don't divide it by 2, but we do that to work out the area, which gives us 60. So our answer is 60 centimetres squared. Question 21. A straight line has the equation y equals 2x minus 1. Write down the gradient of the line. It is, when OneNote wants to play, again, having a shocker, 2. There we go. So the gradient of that line is 2 because that's the value in front of x. Here are the equations of 4 straight lines. Which of the 4 straight lines is parallel to y equals 2x minus 1? Well, it will be the one that's got the same number in front of x because they're all in the format of y equals. So y equals 2x plus 3. A student says y equals a half x plus 4 is the steepest of the 4 lines because it has the largest number added. Explain what the student's wrong. So they're wrong because it does not have the greatest gradient. Y equals 2x plus 3 has the greatest. So we're telling them why they're wrong, and then we're correcting them. Okay, it's a part C on this one. Here is part of the line of the graph y equals 2x minus 1. The line continues to the right will the line pass above, below, or through the point 45, 90? So y equals 2x minus 1. If we replace x with 45 and then subtract 1, we get y equals 90 minus 1, y equals 89. So here we've got the point where the line will go through. It's going to go through at 89. And then that value above is 90, so it's going to go below. Because when x is 45, y is 89. And that question is done. Question 22. In this question, all measurements are in centimetres. The square and the rectangle have the same area. So x squared is going to be equal to 4 lots of 2x plus 5. We then multiply it out, so we get 8x plus 20, and then we subtract them both across, and that will equal to 0. Okay, solve it. So will this factorize? Yes, it will. So x minus 10, x plus 2, so they both multiply to make minus 20, and they add to make minus 8, and that gives us a solution of 10 and negative 2, because these are the values that we sub in to make a bracket equal to 0, and if we have one of the brackets equal to 0, when it's multiplied to the other one, no matter what it is, we will get 0. Explain why one of the answers in part B is not possible in the context of the question. So we can't have a negative value, so we cannot have a negative length. So minus 2 does not work. The area of the square, well, that's going to be 10 times 10. That's 100. 10 times by 10. The length of the rectangle. So 2 times 10 is 20. Add the 5, it's 25. There we go. That's question 22 done. On to question 23. Okay, question 23. So the ratio of jellies to mints is n to 2. The ratio of mints to toffees is 5 to 3n. So we need to make these have a common m. So multiply by 5 gives us 5n to 10, and then 10 to 6n. Combine them, so 5n to 10 to 6n, meaning that the ratio of jellies to toffees will be 5n to 6n, and we can then drop the n to give us 5 to 6. That's the end of the paper. Good luck with your exams. Remember, like the videos, share the channel, and help me get loads of watch hours. All the best. Bye-bye.